how to find old chats history in your character AI. So you have a few options if you want to do this. The first one is to go ahead to whichever chat you want the history on. So in our case, we're going to a random chat, and you can press on its profile or here in the bottom left corner. But it's much better to do it here since you will get a few options including memory and history. If you press on memory, of course, there's going to be this section where you can put in extra details or something you want to be remembered. Once you type it in, it should just generate whichever kind of history you want to be pulled back from inside your chat. If you press on the history option, you will be brought from that section to just show you piece of histories that is included in your chat. If it appears there, then that's pretty much how you do this process. There's an archive button over here for the archive chat history. If for some reason you've archived a chat, it should just appear here. There's another option if you go ahead to your profile, which is found in the bottom right corner. Press the settings right beside the share profile button. Scroll down until you find the content settings, and inside archive you should be able to see some past character chats if you'd like. So there's a few options you can try if you want to see history from your chats in Character AI. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.